Welcome back to our expert roundtable.
Let's discuss what is coming next for our newly diagnosed patients. And in that regard, I think we'll start out with a discussion on MRD. So, Prashant, what is the role of MRD in your practice? And what technology do you use for MRD assessment?
Ravi, this is a very important question, something that we are still learning about. We have learned a lot over the past couple of years, but there's still a lot to learn. Outside of determining the prognosis of the patient, I do not use MRD assessment for anything in routine clinical practice. I do it routinely, and that's because it is available to us, and we can get the results based on the Euroflow data in-house very quickly within a span of 24 hours. But I do not typically make changes to my treatment plan on the basis of MRD assessment yet. There are a lot of clinical trials that we have at our institution that are going on that are looking at this. Also, in terms of the knowledge gap, I would say we don't know yet whether the currently considered so-called standard, the IMWG 10 to the power minus 5, should be acceptable, because now there are newer data emerging that patients who have 10 to the power minus 7, for instance, MRD negativity, do much better than the ones that have 10 to the power minus 5. But that technology is not available to the community physicians. And so I would say there's a lot to learn in terms of the type of test or technology that should be utilized. Whatever is available to you is what I would say. If Euroflow is available, go for it. If NGS technology, next generation sequencing technology, is available, go for that. But unless a patient is asking me to make changes to the regimen